If you want to cancel your Uber free trial, follow these simple steps to ensure you won't be charged once the trial period ends. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the free trial you wish to cancel. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the menu icon, usually located in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Account to access your account settings. Step 3. Go to Subscriptions. In the account settings, look for the Subscriptions option. This section will show you any active subscriptions, including your free trial. Step 4. Select the free trial. Find a specific free trial you want to cancel and tap on it. This will take you to the details of the subscription. Step 5. Cancel the subscription. Look for the option to cancel the subscription. Follow the prompts to confirm your cancellation. Make sure to check for any confirmation message to ensure the trial has been successfully cancelled. Once you have completed these steps, your free trial will be cancelled and you will not be charged at the end of the trial period.